Picture this: an uncontested divorce in California, seemingly simple but fraught with potential missteps. 5 crucial areas demand your attention: the status of the marriage, division of assets and debts, spousal maintenance, parenting plans, and child support. Firstly, don't stumble over the parenting plan. Specify changes in advance to avoid future difficulties. Courts aren't lenient with late alterations. Secondly, watch out for spousal maintenance errors. Extreme terms without financial foresight can lead to struggles or dependence. Thirdly, never neglect your retirement accounts. Overlooking their division can trigger issues in securing rights and tax penalties. Fourthly, manage debts wisely. Letting one spouse bear all burdens without a clear plan could leave both parties vulnerable to creditors. Lastly, ensure the legal process is complete. Filing divorce documents without completing the process can result in dismissed cases, leaving you unintentionally married. Avoid these pitfalls with thorough planning, legal guidance, and open communication. Remember, knowledge is power, and in this case, the power to secure a fair and smooth divorce.